Anna Mackey on behalf of Mr. Dalton, who is, I believe he's riding a bus right now.
And here we go, folks. One of the oldest courtroom excuses in the book. I was on the bus. Problem is, this judge has heard it all, from blurry bus window photos to fuel-free fantasies. Pro tip, if your alibi starts with Greyhound, you'd better have receipts.
The last we've heard, he was in downtown Ann Arbor 20 minutes ago. It's a slow bus.
He came from Detroit. Let him know he came from Detroit.
The bus has been driving from Detroit, Your Honor. Maybe it ran out of gas.
Maybe you ran out of... What?
He's coming. The bus is coming.
How do I know he's on the bus?
I spoke to him, Your Honor.
Huh?
I spoke to him and he said he was on the bus.
So what do you want me to do? Bench warn him?
No, Your
And
Honor.
we can go get him?
If you could please pass this matter for a few.
A few. Okay, so hold on. I went through this almost exact same thing with Cannon. And
Notice how the judge isn't buying it. He's having flashbacks to the last defendant who tried to turn a late bus into a courtroom drama. Moral of the story? Don't bring a bus ticket to a credibility battle.
I know, they had pictures all along of him on his bus ride. It was like
So it's a
trees.
common
It was
thing?
video. It was just trees going by a window on a bus. I don't know if it was on a bus. But at least they gave me pictures. Not you, nothing.
I'll provide photos, Your Honor, in a minute. It's clearly a common problem with buses. If Stephanie had the same issue with her.
Okay, Mackie. Mackie, when's the last time you got on a bus?
For school, Your Honor. We ride a bus from the parking lot to class. It's like a mile walk.
When's the last time you got on a bus for travel around the city? Or
New York. In New York. Subway, that's even better. Subway.
A subway is different than a bus.
Okay, I've never been on a bus, Your Honor.
I didn't think so. Okay, thank you. I'll pass it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I've never been on a bus. I know. Don't know why you're trying to fight it. Just say I've never been on a bus. She doesn't even know if it's a slow bus. Says Larzell, Washington.
Good morning, Edward Lucas on behalf of Larzell, Washington.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing great. What's your name?
Larzell in Washington.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, we had referred this over to the recovery court. I spoke with them and they indicated that they've in receipt of all the information to do an intake. However, they have not done that interview. That interview could be completed within the week. Like if we could have a 1-week adjournment.
Probable cause conference, May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m. bond continued.
Here's a little legal insight. When someone's referred to recovery court, it usually points to a drug-related or mental health issue behind the charge. But delays like this can be costly, especially if you're sitting behind bars waiting for paperwork to catch up.
Court calls case, People versus Marquis Fab.
Oh, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Can I please have a word? With all due respect.
I think Mr. Washington would like to address bond.
Excuse me, miss.
Go ahead.
How you doing, Your Honor? My
I'm
name is
great.
Larzell near Washington. First and foremost, forgive me about my outbreak last time I was here.
Can I have that file?
And thank
Go
you,
ahead.
sir. Thank you, sir. What happened was I wasn't aware, as my attorney indicated, what day was my probable cause hearing was. Okay, I went back to the magistrate. They said, no, well, we're gonna let Judge Simpson handle it. Then last time I came here, it was a 2-week hold because they didn't do their job. I feel I shouldn't have to
Who didn't do their job?
What you say? You gave him a plea.
The recovery court?
Well, I didn't ask for no recovery court, but whatever assessment you gave them, it was 2 weeks. And the honorable judge said, okay, well, I'm not going to change his bond. Now, you still didn't indicate I was looking for a bond. And I wasn't even aware of a drug war. So with all due respect, I do appreciate you, but I did, unfortunately, miss my court date.
Right.
I was...
And then how'd you come into custody?
Oh, I came into custody? What? Trying to... Being a good Samaritan.
Wait, so let me get this straight. He missed court because he was arrested saving a woman from a stalker? That's either the ultimate courtroom plot twist or the world's strangest superhero origin story. You buying it?
And they figured out what my name was, and I totally forgot. I really didn't know what court date it was. And I was disciplined for the first, and in discipline, well, not necessarily discipline, you allowed it to, override until they took care of their own situation, but it's not my fault.
Till they who? Who is they?
Would you explain to him?
Well, I think I got to collect more of that story.
Okay, you gave him a piece of paper about assessment along with a plea.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I get here today, the assessment not taken care of. Right?
You just want them to speed up the process.
No,
I think
not them. It's not his fault. He's a judge.
Mm-hmm.
They supposed to be.
Thank you. That's right. Nothing is my fault.
No, yes, it's not.
That's right. I know.
Amen. So I'm saying, I'm just trying to.
And there it is. The judge's sarcasm lands like a gavel. When a defendant blames everyone but themselves one too many times, the courtroom stops taking them seriously and starts treating them like a one-man comedy act.
I normally work carnival shows. I have really been disciplined for not being aware of to show up. I'm not dumb enough not to show up again.
Excuse me one moment. Whose phone is that? It's somebody down there's phone. Is her? Tana's phone? Really? Go ahead, sir.
And I'm not ignorant enough not to show up in front of Judge Simpson courtroom again.
I think he is saying that he would show up to court next time. He's asking for a PR bond.
Yes, I am, sir.
If the court would not provide a PR bond at this time, if the court would allow an interview to take place, if that interview takes place, then the court provide a PR bond.
I never said that. I asked, could you please provide a PR bond? And I will.
I addressed this the last time you were here.
What was it about?
I think they're going to keep you in.
All right, man. You're fired. God bless you. And thank you, Your Honor.
Why is he fired?
Because he's not speaking up for me. I really don't even know what's going on.
Oh, it would. Okay, so did you understand before you make that final decision about firing him? Well, it wouldn't have mattered whether you spoke or he spoke. I'm denying your motion. I've already heard it.
Well, I don't know. Why are you denying the motion?
This is accountability, courtroom style. You skip court, get picked up, then waltz in asking for a PR bond like nothing happened? Judge Simpson's not having it. Actions have consequences, no matter how many long-winded speeches or carnival metaphors you wrap them in.
Funny.
Because you appeared here, didn't show up, didn't turn yourself in, got picked up, got brought here.
Yes.
That's how we got you back.
And
so I'm not releasing you now.
The magistrate.
Okay, so
did not release me, and then
that's right.
You didn't release me because
that's right.
You wait for assessment. Am I correct?
And I haven't had the assessment yet.
Exactly. So is it my fault you haven't had the assessment? Is it your fault?
It's my fault? I thought nothing was my fault.
So whose fault is it?
I don't know.
But it's not mine. You do agree?
No, I don't agree.
The assessment, do I?
I don't know whose fault it is. It hasn't happened. I'm done.
Pretty much. God bless you.
Thank you, Your
And
Honor.
you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, keep talking. Why are you up here at my podium? Why are you at my podium? Why are you at my podium? Next time, Tana, turn your phone up louder when that's going on.
And then it was.
Did I call your case?
Yes, you did. You called Houston's Bath, Marquis Bath.
Oh, that was so long ago. You're right. You are right, Miss Cannon. And I usually criticize you for not getting up here on time. And I have to give you credit that you're like early.